To add stkBNB to the liquidity pool on Pancakeswap, start by going to pancakeswap.finance. Make sure the BNB chain is selected and proceed by connecting to the wallet of your choice. Now to find the stkBNB liquidity pool, click on the three dots tab on top and make sure you select V3 in the middle. Then go to the search bar on your right and look for the WBNB stkBNB pool and click on it. When you've found the pool, click on the Add Liquidity button to continue. Select a fee tier and set a price range based on your own risk appetite. The wider you set your price range, the more risk-averse you are and the less fees you may earn. Once you've set it to your preference, enter the amount of WBNB and stkBNB you wish to add to the pool. Now, before you can actually add your liquidity, you need to enable both tokens by approving a spending cap request in your wallet. Click Next and approve the transaction to complete the request. Repeat the process for the second token in order to proceed. The Add button will now be visible and show you the overview of the liquidity you're about to provide. Click Add once more to prompt the final transaction in your wallet. Approve the transaction, and done! You have now successfully added liquidity to the WBNB stkBNB pool on Pancakeswap. To vote on the stkBNB pool's gauge, head over to the Earn tab and select Cake Staking. In order to get voting rights, you need to get Cake by locking up some Cake tokens. Enter the amount of Cake you wish to lock and choose the locking duration. Note that you will have to lock your Cake for at least 3 weeks to be able to vote for the gauge. Once set, click on the Lock Cake button and approve the Cake spending cap in your wallet. After that, the transaction for locking your Cake will automatically be prompted for your approval. Approve the transaction, and done! Your Cake is now locked for the selected period of time you chose. Now to actually vote on the gauge, scroll down and find the gauge's voting block. Click on the Check Gauges button to continue. Here you will find all gauges that are up for voting. Scroll down to the My Votes section and click on Add Gauges to find the stkBNB BNB gauge. Click on the plus sign and close it off by hitting the Finish button. Enter the percentage of all your remaining Cake that you want to use to vote on the gauge and click on Submit Vote. Approve the transaction in your wallet and wait for it to process. And that's it! You have now successfully voted for the stkBNB BNB gauge. To earn bribes, you need to go to the Cakepie page or magpiexyz.io. Make sure Pancake is selected and you've connected the wallet of your choice. In order to continue, you will need Cakepie by locking up some Cakepie tokens. If you don't have any Cakepie, click on the banner on top, which will redirect you back to Pancakeswap and allow you to swap BNB or any other token for Cakepie. Enter the amount of Cakepie you wish to swap and approve the transaction in your wallet. Once the transaction is processed and you've got your Cakepie tokens, head back over to the Cakepie website. Look for the Cakepie pool under Cakepie Pools and open the tab. There you will be able to lock up your Cakepie tokens and get Cakepie in return, which you will need to earn bribes. Once again, approve the spending cap request for Cakepie in order to continue with the lockup. Now click the lock button and approve the actual transaction to lock up your Cakepie and get Cakepie in return. Now that you have Cakepie, head over to the Bribe tab in the menu and scroll down to find the stkBNB pool. Open the tab to get more information and fill out the percentage of your votes you wish to use for voting on the pool. Once you are happy with your input, scroll down to review your changes and click Update Votes to finalize. Approve the transaction in your wallet. Wait for it to process. And done! You are now all set to earn boosted yield and bribe rewards.